10 Ways to Make Money on Fiverr. The popularity of Fiverr.com has skyrocketed as the top online marketplace for micro-outsourced services. It is getting harder and harder to locate people who haven't at least heard of Fiverr, thanks to a multi-million-dollar advertising effort. It should come as no surprise that more and more companies, both online and offline, are utilizing through the services provided by Fiverr. The good news is that there is increasing demand for any services you provide to the worldwide market for digital services as Fiverr's potential to attract customers keeps growing. The following list contains merely 10 methods for making money on Fiverr.com. Even while it might not seem like you are getting paid much. If you can do these services quickly and add worthwhile extras, your Fiverr revenue could add up to a sizable bank account. Number 10. Offer ebooks or reports you've written. The majority of the services offered on Fiverr require you to work on a customized project to be compensated. In other words, you develop new products by the client's demands after receiving their instructions. One of my all-time favorite internet income streams flips that company concept. You can write a book or report once and sell it repeatedly to various customers rather than having to create new materials for each $5 order that comes your way. You should be okay as long as you make it clear that you are not selling resale rights to your work and that you retain all copyright. Number 9. Offer social media services. Businesses could benefit greatly from your abilities if you're a natural at generating viral postings on social media and growing online followers in favor. It can be the ideal strategy for you to succeed on Fiverr as a business. Developing your digital skills can benefit you as well. Many job routes would benefit greatly from having demonstrable expertise with customer involvement, SEO, or marketing efforts. Number 8. Article writing. Since it is not an easy task and hardly everyone can do it, if you have excellent writing abilities, this might be one of your greatest Fiverr gigs. It has a lot of money, and due to the rise in demand, it has also recently gained a lot of popularity. Many businesses use article writers to get more and more traffic to their websites. People favor article writing since a well-written article can advance a business. Writing naturally is the only way to make money at it, else, you won't be able to make an impression. Number 7. Digital marketing. This phrase has been in use for several years, as has the desire for it. As a result, many people are looking to purchase digital marketing services for their businesses and are willing to make substantial financial investments in doing so. Digital marketing today refers to advertising that is distributed through digital channels including email, web applications, social media, mobile applications, etc. If you use social media, you've probably seen this a lot. It might be quite beneficial if you also have expertise in digital marketing, such as email marketing, SEO, ad campaigns, content marketing, and social media marketing. Number 6. Website designing. A website specifically created for them is necessary in the present world, where practically everything has gone online and every business wants to have an online presence. If you are skilled at website design, this can be a fantastic choice for you. People who want to sell their items online must have a website, and demand for website creation has increased over time. These companies require experts that can create a stunning website tailored to their line of work. Number 5. Ad campaigns. If you are skilled in creating advertising campaigns for businesses that drive sales. If the answer is yes, this is one of Fiverr's most lucrative gigs. Businesses that assist in generating more leads for their clients include those using Facebook ads and Google AdWords. The good news is that many businesses prefer hiring individuals over agencies since it saves them money and makes it simpler for them to implement changes right away. Number 4. Virtual assistant. One of the best ways to work for people from all over the world is through this. The good news is that these vocations are becoming more and more in demand and well liked. Many occupations fall into this category, including research, data entry, email creation, lesson planning, virtual computer repair and cleaning, etc. A virtual assistant position is also in high demand on Fiverr because it is typically quite straightforward and doesn't call for a specific level of education or expertise. As a virtual assistant, you would have to complete quick activities on websites where you might get paid for completing online microtasks. Similar tasks include micro jobs and freelance assignments. Number 3. Logo designing. Many businesses have utilized Fiverr to obtain a stunning and eye-catching logo created for their operation. Every day a new or existing firm posts a request on Fiverr for a new logo to be produced or for some modifications to be made to an existing one. You don't need a broad skill set to design a logo. However, if you possess the talent to design distinctive and imaginative logos, this could be a great opportunity for you. One of the most popular gigs on Fiverr, and customers are willing to pay a hefty sum for this service. Number 2. Design book covers. Try your hand on Fiverr if you have graphic design expertise and are skilled at creating stunning book covers. You might get some decent clients there. You may charge reasonable prices for this service here. All you need to get started making money from it are the appropriate tools and skill set. You would no longer even need to print the book covers because ebooks are now so well known. Before sending the drawings you created to the buyer, you would need to learn how to use Photoshop. Before creating a cover, you should keep in mind a few aspects, such that it should relate to and justify the book's content. Number 1. Proofreading and editing. Fiverr can be a great platform to make money from if you are very good at spotting grammar, syntax, punctuation, and spelling errors. The best thing you can do if you want to draw in more customers is to offer a sample of your completed work so that the customer can learn more about your abilities. For their books, blogs, service pages, articles, and other similar content, many people need proofreaders. The need for proofreaders to edit and make content error-free is growing daily as a result of digitalization, where many people post content online. That's it from this video. Let us know what you think about the list in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video, please like the video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.